see now is we will solve the problems which involves the concepts of constraint relation in the Newton's law. Okay, so if you look at this question, if you look at this problem, so this problem is comparatively simple. If this object is coming down, suppose this object is coming down with acceleration a, then this object will move with left with acceleration a. Why they will move with same acceleration? Because the same string is going here. Because the same string is going here. Since the same string is going, the acceleration will be same. Okay, so now we can write the equations for these two objects. So suppose we call this object as A and this object as B. So if we write equation for A, suppose tension is T here and this is downward, weight is suppose mg. So we can write, since this is downward force acting, so this is going down, so we can write mg minus T equal to ma. So this is equation 1. The object is going down and tension is acting upward, so mg minus T equal to ma. And the same tension will act through the string, the same tension will act leftward here, so it will try to pull the object B. So for B there are other forces also acting, so that is, one is tension, another one is mg, and another one is normal from the ground. So normal from ground, and its weight is also there. Okay, but normal and weight will balance each other. No need to write these two things. We will only write the tension, and the tension will pull the object with acceleration a. So T equal to ma. Now you can equate, you can solve these two equations. So best way to solve is add equation 1 with equation 2. If you add these two, the tension will get cancelled. So we will have mg equal to ma plus ma. So A we are going to get is g by 2. So g is 10 by 2. So we are going to get 5 meter per second square. So this was a simple question. Okay.